This is a truck. He will help the digger. Look at how powerful the digger's arm is. There's a lot of sand in the big scoop. The truck is full of sand. Let's go! The digger has made a long trench. This is a concrete mixer. It has big wheels, and the exhaust pipe goes all the way up. Look, what a huge mixing drum! Spin the wheel, and it rotates the drum. Pour sand into the funnel. The sand is mixed inside the drum. Now we need some water. The sand is mixed with the water. And we pour the mixture into the trench.
cars, cars, cars. Windshields, wheels, trucks and doors. They drive and honk. We ride along and then together sing a song. Cars! Cars, 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 cars. Lights to check it's safe and clear. They build, they dig, they help, they bring. They load, they lift, they clean, they swing, then take you to a high gear. Cars, 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 cars. Windshields, wheels, trucks and doors. They drive and honk. We ride along and then together sing a song. Cars! Cars, 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 cars. Made of many moving parts. Sing and they'll hear, beep and steer and take you to high gear.
Let's put the toys from the sandbox into this box. Now we need to level out the sand. Let's use the rake. It works very slowly. How about the bulldozer? All so slow. The bulldozer is small. Now this can handle it. It's an excavator with a scoop. fantastic job!